Welcome back to all. Today we are going to discuss another part of immunology, that is major histocompatibility complex, also known as MSC in short form. First come to introduction. What is MSC? Major histocompatibility complex is a tightly linked cluster of genes present in every vertebrate species. Its products play an important role in intracellular recognition of antigen by T cell and discrimination between self and non-self. This is the important point. It is located on chromosome 6 in human and on chromosome 17 in mice. And in case of human, it is called HLA, that is human leukocyte antigen complex, and S2 in case of mice, that is histocompatibility 2 complex. Now coming to the characteristics. The first characteristics of this MSC is it is highly polymorphic. Polymorphic means many alternative form of a single gene or alleles exist. Alternative form of a single gene or allele exist at each locus. Actually, different individual within a species have different allele of MSC gene. So it is highly polymorphic. Next one is MSC genes are codominantly expressed. Codominantly expressed means every cell express MSC molecule which inherited from both mother and father. These are the characteristics of MSC molecule. Traditionally, MSC divided into three types: class 1 MSC, class 2 MSC and class 3 MSC. These class 1 and class 2 MSC involve in antigen presentation to the T cell. Actually, T cell of our body cannot recognize pre-peptide antigen. In order to recognize peptide antigen bind to the MSC molecule. Only in presence of MSC molecule, T cell recognize peptide antigen. Further, these two classes divided into classical and non-classical. Classical means they are involved in antigen presentation, and non-classical means they are involved in many other immunofunction but not in antigen presentation. Now come to the details about class 1 MSC gene. Actually, class 1 MSC gene express glycoproteins called as MSC molecule expressed on every nucleated cell. Every nucleated cell express this gene, class 1 MSC gene. These genes coded a transmembrane glycoprotein of molecular weight around 43 kilodalton, and it is referred to as alpha or heavy chain. This alpha chain has three extracellular domain: alpha 1, alpha 2 and alpha 3. Alpha 3 domain actually interact with CD8 molecule which is present on cytotoxic T cell, which is known as TC cell. And most important point of this molecule is it is this MSC class 1 molecule always associated with a small polypeptide known as beta 2 microglobulin. This molecule is required for its binding to the plasma membrane of the target cell. Plasma membrane of the cell which it expresses. Then beta 2 microglobulin is a small polypeptide of 12 kilodalton, and it is encoded by a gene which is present on chromosome 15 in human, and this MSC class 1 molecule highly expressed on lymphocytes. And this is the diagram of class 1 MSC molecule. It consists of one polypeptide chain, that is alpha chain, and it has three extracellular domain: alpha 1, 2, 3, and it is always associated with beta 2 microglobulin polypeptide. And through this domain, it interacts with CD8 molecule of the T cell. This is the molecule structure of class 2 MSC molecule. It consists of two polypeptide chain, one alpha 1 beta. Beta chain have two extracellular domain, beta 1, beta 2, and alpha has two, alpha 1, alpha 2 domain. Through beta 2 domain, it bind to the CD4 molecule on the T helper cell. Now coming to the detail about class 2 MSC genes. Class 2 MSC genes coded alpha and beta chain, approximately molecular weight 35 kilodalton and 28 kilodalton respectively. It has four domain: alpha 1, alpha 2, beta 1 and beta 2. Beta 2 domain bind to the CD4 molecule on helper's T cell, and it is expressed constitutively. Constitutively means it is always expressed. There is no regulation for this gene, only on antigen presenting cell. The common example of antigen presenting cells are dendritic cell, macrophages, T lymphocyte. Now coming to the class 3 MSC molecule, these MSC genes not associated with antigen presentation, but it associated with many immunofunctions. The gene encoded by this, the protein encoded by this gene involved in many immunofunctions like complement, components of complement system, molecules related to hits of protein and inflammation, etc. Now some important aspect about MSC molecule. Actually, endogenous peptide. Endogenous means which are synthesized inside our body. These are antigens associated with class 1 MSC molecule, and it is recognized by cytotoxic T cell. And exogenous peptide antigen, which means which are synthesized outside of our body and enter into our body. They are associated with class 2 MSC molecule and recognized by helper T cell. These 2 points are very much important. We have to make it very clear because these 2 points are very much confusing. Now coming to the function of MSC molecule, both class 1 and class 2 MSC molecule function as highly specialized antigen presenting molecule. The main function of MSC molecule is presenting antigen to the T cell. It present antigen to the T cell. Class 1 MSC molecule bind to the endogenous antigen presented to the CD8 molecule on the cytotoxic T cell. Then class 2 MSC molecule bind to the exogenous antigen which recognized by CD4 and molecule on helper T cell. This is all about MSC molecule. So thank you.